It's somebody Pinson for sale. Welcome to Thuli Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Over the past few months, Thabo Bester has been trending all over the social media. As we all know, he was able to escape prison after faking his death. One of the most high-profile lady, Professor Thuli Madonsela, broke her silence, guys. She went on Twitter. This is what she has to say. My heart goes out to the family of katlego, Bereng, whose body was reportedly used in the G4S controlled by Mangaung Correctional Center to enable Thabo Bester to escape. I suggest the family sued the G4S for millions of rands in several proceedings, guys. This is what she has to say. I totally agree with her. This was totally unfair, guys. They were not able to bury their children. Imagine the family of Pastor Bereng when he ran away from prison. This is totally unfair. I totally agree with Thuli Madonsela on this one. Katlego lost his precious life a few years ago. Imagine if they did not expose him at Woolworth. He would have been free person even today, guys. They will be living their best life with Dr. Nadipa, guys. Well, we will be surprising Dr. Nadipa on social media, saying that she's a working hard woman. Well, another family, they are crying. Anyway, thanks to the lady who took the picture at Woolworth. If it wasn't for her or whatever the person she is, I also believe that she also need to get something. She has done a good job, guys. And then another thing, it is unfair. It is fair to sue the company. Thuli Madonsela pay a touching tribute via her Twitter account. She wants the family of katlego to receive justice. South Africa crime is a paradise. The rich can get away with it, and the poor always, find themselves in difficult situation like katlego's family. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe to